Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. The objective for making this video is that we would be analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 8 September. Apart from the index, I would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. So for 9th September weekly expiry series, here you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 17,500 and 17,400 call strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest is at 17,300 and 17,200 put strike. So for this weekly series, 17,200 is likely to act as a strong support and 17,500 is likely to act as a strong resistance. And if you were to see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday today, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in calls happened at 17,400 strike followed by 17,500 strike. Here you will see that in the money calls like 17,100, 17,200, 17,250, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that call option buyers of these strikes, they have booked their profits, and call option writers, they have booked their losses. And if we see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in puts has happened at 17,300 put strike, and you will also see that 17,150 put strike and 17,200 put strike, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that put writers, they have booked their profits, and put option buyers, they have booked their losses. And you will also see in the money put 17,550 put strike, it saw its open interest reduce. So on intraday, today was a very volatile day. So intraday traders, those who would have shorted intraday, it is their footprint that we are seeing over here on 17,500 put strike. So put option buyers of 17,500 put strike booked their profits, and 17,500 put writers, they have booked their losses. Now we would be discussing Nifty index on multiple time frame. So on the monthly time frame, you will see that index is under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open of 17,185. So as it is trading above the monthly open, it is under control of buyers and the candlestick is green. You can see over here. And here you can see there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame, because on the weekly time frame, market is under control of sellers as it is trading below 17,399, which is the weekly open. And if we see the daily time frame, here you will see that today we have formed an outside candlestick. So outside candles, they are formed whenever buyers are willing to take price above previous day highs and sellers are willing to short the market and take the price below previous day lows, hence forming an outside candlestick. So it also denotes volatility in the market. And on intraday basis, market was under control of sellers below 17,401 level intraday, and there is conflict on the monthly, weekly time frames. And in terms of price structure, there is no trend at this point of time. The higher high, higher low structure has been broken by formation of this outside candlestick. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios tomorrow. So above 17,362 levels, we can trade towards 17,436 levels, 17,476 and potentially 17,527 levels. And below 17,287, which is today's lows, we can potentially trade towards 17,138 level. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 17,362 to 17,287, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. And inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and we look to establish a position if either side of the high-low range breaks of this inside candlestick. So our first stock is Prestige. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So conservative traders, they can look for buying opportunity above 487.8 levels, and aggressive traders can look for selling opportunity below 449.9 levels. And aggressive traders should keep in mind that shorting this would be a contrarian trade, so it is advisable that position size should be kept on the lower side. Second stock is M&M, and if you see Mahindra and Mahindra, it's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for a selling opportunity below 748 levels. Our third stock is HDFC Life. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and it has formed a second inside candlestick today. Yesterday also it was an inside candle, and today also it's an inside candlestick. So we'll look for a buying opportunity above 743.5 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 730.5 levels on lower position size. And our final stock for tomorrow is Sonacoms. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for a buying opportunity above 561 level, and aggressive traders can look for selling opportunity below 540.5 levels on lower position size. So this is our inside candlestick watch list for tomorrow, and do stay tuned for a long and short bias stock watch list, which I would be sharing on Twitter around 10 p.m. tonight. So do check that out, as it would be containing list of stocks in which we would have a definite bias either to the upside or to the downside. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 17,362 we can trade toward 17,476 levels, and below 17,287 we can potentially trade towards 17,196 level. And broadly speaking, we're in a 300-point range on the index, with 17,500 likely to act as a strong resistance and 17,200 likely to act as a strong support. And the max pain for 9 September weekly expiry has remained at 17,300 level. And our stock watch list comprises of Prestige, Sonacoms, HDFC Life and Mahindra & Mahindra. And I like to thank you all for watching this video, and I like to apologize for all the background noise. There is some construction work going on, and that bark that you were hearing, that was my pet dog, Tiger. So I'm not gonna say sorry for my pet. He's allowed to bark. And thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.